Hi guys, it's Misty Flowers again. And as I mentioned in the syllabus overview video that can be found under instructor announcements, that I would now be addressing the lab portion of this class, which the lab candidate guide is found under student resources on Moodle. There are all kinds of documents in this box that you will need for the lab portion. Here is our phonics lab guide. Bear with me. Okay. Here we go. Here is our table of contents and your assignments by week. Now this course is a phonics instruction lab in which you will use the Basics of Phonics Instruction course readings and learnings to conduct and analyze assessments to inform the instruction of phonemic awareness, phonics, and word study in a tutoring setting. Now, as I said before, you're going to have a student that you're going to tutor. 10 hours must be tutoring with the student. But for the lab portion, you're going to have 20 hours total because of analyzing, assessing, analyzing, and planning for instruction. So you have 10 hours for your planning and research, and then you have 10 hours of actual tutor time with the student. Now, again, this will need to probably be done through Zoom. You are responsible for arranging the time and setting with your particular student that you're going to tutor. You will administer assessments, and then you're going to use this information to plan and implement instruction for subsequent tutoring sessions. So the assessment that we're going to do, you're going to use that data to instruct the child. Here are your course competencies. You do have an analysis paper with lesson plan that will be submitted in week 8, and it will also be submitted through Chalk and Wire. So please be sure that when you submit to Chalk and Wire, your artifact reflection is showing up and your analysis or your final paper. Week 1, select the student that you want to tutor. You will need to get a signed permission slip. You're also going to, week 1, begin your lab timesheet. If you don't really know the student you're going to tutor, take that first week to get acquainted with them and their reading likes and dislikes, as well as their writing likes and dislikes. Since this is a phonics class, you will be concentrating on reading and writing. When you give the Words Their Way spelling inventory, a great way to approach it is that you explain to the student that they are going to be teaching you. You're going to use what they know to teach you. It's not like they're going to get graded on it, because they are not. Make it a fun activity for them, but yet make sure they realize that, okay, this is serious. This is my job right now. I need to help them learn. Please only use your student's first name. In the lab forum for week 1, you do not have to respond to peers unless you choose to. You have the parent permission slip. And then it goes through week 2. Here is a sample tutoring session that you might want to do with your student. Again, make sure that you keep track of your time on your timesheet. You have to have 10 hours of instructional time with your student and 10 hours of preparation. Here's week 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here is your timesheet. And also on the timesheet, there is a section for student or parent initials. And if you are going to see the parent or see the student, just have them initial it. And if you're doing everything through Zoom, please just note that it's through Zoom. This will be submitted during week 8. Here is the student information and parent signatures. Another example of the tutoring session. So, as always, if you have a question about something, please ask me. I can't help if I don't know that you're questioning it. Please don't hesitate to reach out via email for me. And if need be, we can set up a phone conference. I look forward to our learning together. Thank you.